Today we are learning number signs for numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Ready? Ten. The 10 is it's like the thumb is up and we shake it. 10. 10. 10. 10. That's 10. 11. So we're flicking the index finger upward. 11. 11. 11. 12. So now we're flicking two fingers up. 12. 12. 12. 13. So the two fingers are together now and the thumb is out, and those two fingers bend inward. So they bend in. 13. 13. 13. 14 has the thumb back in and four fingers up. 14. 14. 14. 15. So now the thumb is out again and all the fingers bend forward. So again, 4, 14, and the thumb is out for 15. 15. 15. So again, 10, 11, 11, 12, again, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15. All together a little bit faster. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good? Thanks for watching. Here are more number signs in these other videos.